In this video, I'll show how to upload image to Figma. No matter which method you use, the result is the same, so you can choose what feels most comfortable for your workflow. First, make sure you have your Figma file open. One of the most common ways to add an image is through the menu. Go to the top menu, click on File, then choose Place Image. You can also use the shortcut Shift-Command-K on Mac or Shift-Control-K on Windows. Select the image from your computer and click Open. Once you do that, your cursor will turn into an image preview. You can click once to place the image or click and drag to control the size as you place it on the canvas. After placing the image, you can resize it freely. On the right panel, you'll see Image Fill options. You can choose Fill to make the image cover the entire area, Fit to keep the full image visible, Crop to zoom and adjust the visible area, or Tile to repeat the image across the shape. These options help you control how the image looks inside its bounding box. Another simple method is dragging and dropping. Just open the folder where your image is saved, then drag the image directly onto the Figma canvas. The image will appear at its original size, so you may need to resize it to fit your layout. This method is quick and works well when you already have your files ready. The third method is adding an image inside a frame. Start by creating a frame, then select it. On the right-hand panel, find the Fill option. Change the fill type from solid color to image, then click to upload your image. This places the image as the background of the frame. You can adjust it using the same Fill, Fit, Crop, or Tile options. Many designers prefer this method because it keeps layouts clean and organized. All three methods work perfectly in Figma, and you can use whichever one suits your design style. Once you're comfortable with these options, adding images to your designs becomes fast and effortless. That's all for this guide. Now you know how to insert images in Figma in a few different ways, so you can choose the one that works best for you.